When you're in the mood for a fast, healthy and super delicious dinner, this is the one to add to your repertoire. You can use any white fish for this, but I've got some trumpeter. I'll add about a tablespoon or so of chicken stock. Add this to a plate because what I'm going to do is steam this together. So what we're making is a gorgeous sauce as it heats up with the fish. You'll need some light soy sauce, and the soy sauce is not only going to give it a beautiful savoury flavour, it's also going to season it. So on with a little of our light soy sauce and some sesame oil. So you just want a small amount of the sesame oil, just a few little drops on each fillet of fish. Now, if you like your chilli, you can add a sprinkle of chilli over the top and some fresh julienne of ginger. And now this goes into a steamer. Now I've got a steamer basket here. We'll just open that up and I'll place the plate into the steamer basket. Be quite careful with the steam. Lid goes on, and this is going to steam for about 3 minutes, and that's as simple as it is. Okay, it's been 3 minutes and I know this fish is cooked. You can see that it's changed colour completely, and depending on what type of fish, it may take a little longer or a little less to cook. I'll carefully take it out of the steamer basket, and I like to serve it in the same plate. You can see all that juicy stock that's formed on the base there. And to dress this, I'll add some bean sprouts just to the centre, along with some spring onions that I've finely sliced. I've also placed it in some water just so they go kind of curly, just like that. And if you're a big fan of coriander like I am, a small sprig of coriander on the side. And that right there is a little inspiration for a very fresh, fast and healthy dinner.